How to use SUMIFS function in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this function explained video series, I'm going to explain how you can use the SUMIFS function in Microsoft Excel. I'm going to talk about the criteria, I'm going to talk about the parameters, and I'm going to illustrate the whole SUMIFS function in this tutorial. Let's get started. Now the best way to learn a function is to apply it, and in this tutorial I'm going to apply the SUMIFS function, and while I'm applying I will try to explain the details about this function and I'm sure you will understand that. Generally SUMIFS function is used for addition. Okay, so you are going to add numbers or you are going to find out total numbers or sum of numbers based on multiple criteria or condition. In SUMIF we have done the same thing, but we had only one condition to apply. Okay, now here in SUMIFS we can add multiple conditions. Okay, so let's apply the function and you will understand. So in this scenario we are going to find out the total sale in cell G2, but we will select two conditions: sales category and salesperson. First we want to find out who sold our product, so this is our first condition or criteria, salesperson. Second criteria will be our product category. Okay, so who sold it, what was the category, and what was the total sales. Okay, we have already created the drop down here, salesperson drop down and sales category drop down, so that we can input it inside our function, because we'll have to select the condition or criteria and I want to make it dynamic. So I have already created a drop down, and if you don't know how to create a drop down list, please check out this tutorial and you will understand how you can create your drop down list. I have prepared this worksheet already. Now in cell G2 I'm going to write the SUMIFS function. So write equal to SUM and you will find this SUMIFS, and you can see in the tooltips you will find add the cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. Okay, that means multiple condition or criteria. So select it. Then the first part is the sum range, what you are going to find out. So I'm going to find out the total sales. Okay, so we are going to add all the values here that match the criteria we select. Okay, so this is our sum range, and now close it. The second part is the criteria range. So what is our first criteria? First criteria will be our salesperson who sold our product. So criteria range is selected, so all the salesperson name is here and we have selected that as a criteria range. And now we are going to select the criteria, that means who sold our product. We can write it inside the function, but we have already created a drop down, so we are going to select that cell. So who sold our product will be selected based on here. Okay, so in cell E2 which name I select, that will be the condition. So this is our criteria. Now if I press comma and we are moved for the second range. Okay, so second condition is what is our sales category. So these are the categories and listed, so this is our criteria range 2. And now if we want to select the criteria, we'll have to select our sales category and we can select this here. So this is the sales category and we are going to filter our result based on the name or based on the category stated in cell F2. Okay, and now we can close parenthesis, and you can add this type of criteria up to 255 times. Okay, and that's a lot. So this is why SUMIF is used, and this is how you can use SUMIF. And if I press enter, the result shows 0 because we didn't select our criteria. So if I select here salesperson, so this is our salesperson, and it still isn't showing the result because we didn't select our second criteria. So if I select this, and you can see this person sold $1,000 under this category. Okay, so let me change this to currency. So if I select another website, he sold website $250, mobile app $1,500. Okay, so if I change the salesperson, you will find this, and this person didn't sell a single app. Okay, so this is how you can use SUMIFS function. Remember, it's all about conditions. If you have single condition, you will use SUMIF. If you have several conditions, you will use SUMIFS. Okay, so hope you like it, hope you understand the SUMIF function. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching, and If you can, support the channel through Patreon. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.